Hi everyone, so let's make this bag together, and anywhere you see green, please just know that I had to repeat that part of the video, like I had to reshoot it. So watch the measurement I'll write on the screen and then follow it diligently, though you can actually adjust the measurements to suit the size of bag you want to create. So let's go. So you first of all sew the two sides of your 8 inches by 5 inches pieces. After doing that, you're going to add the snap buttons. To do so, turn the piece to the right side and mark 1 inch from the seam allowance, and then from the top as well mark 1 inch. Then you get the perfect spot to fix your snap buttons or whatever kind of fastening you want to use. You're going to fix the snap buttons on the 4 sides of the purse. Now you fix it to the front and also to the back so you'll be able to snap it. Now get the 8 by 20 inches pieces and sew both sides. After doing that, adjust the stitch length of your sewing machine to the highest so as to sew a loose stitch. After sewing the loose stitch, pull one thread to form gathers. The gathers should be approximately the length of your 8 by 5 inches pieces or slightly more. Then readjust your sewing machine and secure the stitch so it doesn't break. Using the 28 by 3 inches, fold into 2, give it a good press, sew and turn inside out. Now get the 11 by 1.5 inches and pass it through so as to create a scrunchie just like this, and that will serve as the handle of the bag. Moving forward, place the wrong side. Now you will take the part that has the stitch as the wrong side, place it on the right side of your purse, that is the 8 by 5 piece where you've already added the snap button. You're going to place it 1 inch away from the seam allowance by the sides. Then you can go ahead and secure it before introducing the bigger part of the bag, but I just went ahead to pin both sides, that is the side of the 8 by 5 inches and the side of the 8 by 20 inches, meaning the seam, you place them together on both sides. Then you're going to make some pleats to align with the exact size of the purse, which is the smaller part. So this is me fastening the handle. Then I went ahead to pin all around so as to create the pleat. Then I went ahead to sew it. Mind you, our purse is still open, so flip it inside out and we're almost done. Now the purse is still open, so you're going to tuck it in a bit, stitch to close the open parts. But before then, you can actually make a top stitch on the smaller part of the purse. It's totally optional but recommended because it makes your work very neat. Now fold the 12 by 3, the 4 pieces of the 12 by 3 like this, and cut like a C shape so as to get something of this nature, because we don't want the tip of our tiny ropes to be sharp. After sewing it, turn it inside out, give it a good press and proceed to tie it on the handles of your bag just like this, and you are good to go. If there's any question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely respond. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow. Bye. See ya.